If you want Chrome to open your favorite website with just one click, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to set a home page in Google Chrome step by step so you can customize your browser and get to the site you use most faster than ever. This is a super simple setting, and once you know where it is, you can change it anytime. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu where you'll find all of Chrome's settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different sections. Click Appearance. This is where Chrome keeps options for how your browser looks and behaves, including the home button setting. Now look for the option that says Show Home button. Turn that switch on. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a home button appear to the left of your address bar. Next, choose the second option so you can set a custom homepage URL. Then click into the text box and type the full website address you want Chrome to open. Make sure you include the full URL, such as https://google.com, so Chrome recognizes it correctly. After that, just press Enter or click somewhere else to save it. To make sure everything worked, click the Home button, the little house icon at the left of the address bar. Chrome should instantly take you to the website you entered. If it does, congratulations, your homepage is now set. This is a great way to make Chrome open your favorite search engine, news site, email, or any other page you use every day. You can always come back and change this setting later if you want a different homepage. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.